Want to bring a GitHub project to life on your machine? Let's get started. First, locate the code button within the GitHub repository. Clicking it will expose valuable project access information. Copy the provided URL. This is your direct link to the project's source code. Now, bring up your terminal or command prompt. Type in the command git clone followed by the URL you just copied. This initiates the download of the project's files to your computer, a process known as cloning. Enter the project's folder inside. Expect to find files that indicate what additional software and other packages the project requires. These are called dependencies. Dependencies are next. You'll typically use a package manager like npm, pip, or something else. Depending on the project, look at the project instructions for the correct package manager and the installation command. This command automatically downloads and sets up everything needed. Finally, find the startup instructions, often in a README file. Enter the appropriate command, and with any luck, the project should run, and the open source project is now live on your machine.